When choosing a template in the template gallery, it will open here in the builder. With Edit on, you can edit each component by either clicking the pencil icon within it or within its respective widget here in the Edit Widgets panel. Start by editing this logo. It's being displayed by this image widget. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget. Click the trash can icon to delete the image that's currently there, and the plus sign to open the Media Manager. When the Media Manager opens, upload or select your new image. To edit text, edit the rich text widgets. We'll start with this one called Headline. Next, edit this image by editing this image widget. Edit the body text. To edit the entry form, start with the form container. Here, you can connect your form to a different list. You can click entry restrictions to configure how many times and how often you'd like to allow participants to enter your giveaway. Click After Submit to configure what will be seen when the form is successfully submitted. This template is set up to trigger an action, which will display share buttons and a link to your website. Under Approvals and Alerts, add one or more email addresses to receive a notification when someone has entered the form. When you're done editing the form container, click Save and Exit. Edit each form field individually. You can customize the field labels, whether or not the field is required, or customize an error message. To add new fields, add a field widget to the form container. Next, configure the share settings. In the Share widget, select which share icons you'd like to display. If you're including Facebook in your share options, configure how your share post will look on Facebook by uploading an image that's 1200 by 630 pixels in size. Edit this Buttons widget with your website's URL. Lastly, add some official rules to this rich text widget. Once you've customized the content within your landing page, use the Style panel to customize the look and feel of it. You can start by choosing a new theme. Under the Theme tab, edit the color palette to match your branding. And use the swatches throughout your campaign. When you're done styling your landing page, click Preview to test it out. When you're ready to publish, click Publish Campaign and follow the prompts. Your landing page is live at this URL.